Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not loading or not launching problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your start menu and then type in control panel. And once you have typed in, a box should appear like this. All you gotta do is click on programs, and once you click on it, click on programs and features once again. And here all you gotta do is scroll down until you find Roblox player, right? Let me just search it. Okay, here when you find this, just right click on it and then click on uninstall. The Roblox application has been uninstalled. Now close the window, and the next thing that you need to do is open up command prompt, and here I need you to type in cd space app data space backslash local, and then hit enter. And now here I want you to type in rmdir space backslash s space Roblox box. Okay, now here you can see it says, are you sure? Y or N? All you gotta do is type Y, then hit enter, and this basically. And now what you have to do is go to the Roblox website and then try installing it again, and the problem or the issue should be fixed. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.